Welcome to TProject. Transferring TTTU tokens to T-Wallet balance. For using high-yield TProject products, you need to transfer tokens to your T-Wallet balance. First, register in the TProject Telegram bot at @T_projects_bot. Then, proceed to transfer your tokens to the TProject wallet balance. First, go to the Wallets button in the MEXC app to the list of purchased cryptocurrencies. Click the Withdraw button and select the previously purchased TTTU. Then click On-Chain Withdrawal in the pop-up menu. In the withdrawal address, enter TProject Home, then select the EOS network. Enter your primary memo in the identifier field. To do this, go to the TProject app and copy your memo from the home screen. Paste it into the identifier field. Enter the withdrawal amount. Consider the network fees specified for the transfer. Confirm the withdrawal and follow all required steps to confirm the transaction. After a successful transfer, your tokens will arrive in your T-Wallet within a few minutes. Open the app, check the transfer notification and your balance.